What is that you just do?
So I feel like I want to sleep.
Why you want to sleep? You don't get any sleep?
You wake me up.
So? It's
What you
time.
doing?
Guys, rise and shine. You know what time it is? What time it is?
Breakfast time.
Oh, yeah. It's time for breakfast. But guys, my husband was just mouth quarreling with me about a chair because I tell him to go over on the other chair. That's not nice. And we just wake up.
Where are you, man? I know what happened with you, man.
What happened with you, man?
When you're not in the right place, let it complete my statement, no?
Okay, sorry.
When you're not in the right space, you become miserable. And I'm not in the right space this morning. My wife woke me up before time. So it's breakfast time. So, I am not where I am supposed to be as yet. So, bear with me. I'm a bit miserable, but because of love, I have to comply, I have to compromise.
Oh.
Yeah. So here I am. Okay.
Well, why? Because you go to the country yesterday? You're tired?
Yes. Then I went to Bible study, and then come home and go to bed. Anyway, it is what it is.
Rise and shine, rise and shine. It's time for
breakfast.
It's breakfast. So what we're going to cook for breakfast this
You
morning?
decide this morning.
No, baby, you tell me you're going to do the ackee and saltfish.
Well, if I can saltfish, I can saltfish.
So you can cook ackee and saltfish? No, I just ask you.
Well, either one way or the other, you know. Either cook or boil. Now, eat the same way. I don't know when I hard for cook. You know how to cook.
Alright. Let me gather the things them together.
Sure, no, say me a Jamaican. Every Jamaican can
Peeps,
cook
you hear
a
that?
saltfish. Every Jamaican. And every spoil is a
Style.
amen. Let's go.
Alright. So first thing first, I bought some ackee, but guess what I do? I put them in the fridge. What we having with this though? What we having with this ackee here? I never picked them, you know.
As usually leave all those things for me.
Really? That's not true. That's not true.
Yeah.
So you're gonna pick them?
Yep.
Okay. I don't leave all of them for you.
Sorry guys. So this is the ackee. This is the meat part and this is the seed.
Let me just pour out. This look like it too much?
No.
You know who no want none? You know who no want none, so is this too much?
Nope.
Okay. Who no want none?
Youngster man.
Young people. Yeah, so.
Ackee them not look healthy though.
You need them look healthy.
No, you compare to the ackee them me. I've been in the country, them ackee not healthy.
I need them small, but you know.
Yes, that's exactly what I'm saying, them small.
Anyways, you promised to look after ackee, so let me see what you have. Show me your skill.
What happened?
Nothing.
Now watch my arc.
Yeah.
Do me duty, you know.
What is your daily duty?
You know, say, everything must wash and wash, man. Question asked now. All this a foreign thing, you know, because we use knife piece ackee. Pick ackee rather.
What you
The
use?
finger, man. That's ackee not so wonderful.
Oh, that one no look so good. Show me that one. Hope that one is better. Yeah, that one is looking really good.
Yeah.
That one is not so bad.
Ackee them cool.
Yeah, because I put them in the fridge. I was going to pick them and cook them, you know, and then you know, but I never want to do that.
You tired?
Yes,
Lazy,
because I went to
lazy
the
man.
market. You can't say something like that about me, the person that worked the hardest in the house. Come
Seriously?
on. That's not a true statement, baby. Take back that.
Alright, question. What you used to determine so you work the hardest?
Because I do most of all the things in the house. You just start helping me in the kitchen. You don't make it look like. Why every morning you come to give me trouble in the kitchen? No,
it's
target you.
it's a question asking, a question we made to ask. So, you do all the things in the house, so that give you the grand prize, so you're not the laziest in the house.
No, none at all. I think you're the laziest one in the house.
Okay.
Well, no, I'll take back that statement. That's not a true statement.
So I don't do nothing in the house.
Nobody in the house is lazy. I just do most of the things, guys. That's what happened.
Which is
So we are down to the wire.
okay, a soft baby. You know, I cannot go in the fridge. You know, on the town people do some strange things, you know.
What is that?
But everything you know put in the fridge.
Yeah, but if I leave it out, the house without remember the time is hot. So what would have happened if I leave it out?
Cook it same time and put it down.
I couldn't pick it and cook it same time because
Lazy.
I was tired.
Lazy people are always tired.
I was tired.
So guys, this is who is the lazy one.
I went to the market, then I come back and do cleaning up
Can you
and
be
all
honest
that.
this morning?
With what? With what?
Just overall. Can you be honest this morning?
If you can be honest, I can.
I am honest, but so you say I will be honest. Alright, since you say I will be honest. Can you?
Yes. Can you wash your hand please to get the pot? You can't hold the cupboard like that.
Alright. Did I ask you to let us pick the ackee and prepare it before we put it in the fridge?
Yes, you did.
Okay. So who's the lazy one?
But I was tired.
But
I was tired.
there's always a but with her.
I was tired.
And I wasn't tired.
Can you please just get the pot,
I
please?
wasn't tired.
Can you please just get the pot?
No. I don't know what's stand that fridge, you know, everything like that, put in a fridge.
Jesus, please. Baby, the ackee, then it would have spoiled if I did leave it out, right? So if I leave it out, it would have been spoiled. And if I...
No, but if you cook it and
See, here's the cover. I have the cover up here.
Okay.
Alright guys, so I bought this saltfish at the supermarket because this is really, really dry and I love a good saltfish. I love when a saltfish is dry and nice. We call it saltfish, but you guys probably know it as codfish, right?
Right, that's what they call it.
Yeah, codfish. I think codfish is marked on it as well. Codfish, right? They don't have saltfish on it, they had codfish. You know, we Jamaican, we're going to say saltfish. We have our own name, yeah.
And the beauty about it, you understand our own language.
Right.
But guys, this is one of our favorite meat, saltfish or codfish, whatever way you want to pronounce it. And she loves it so much that nobody in our household would go to the store or the shop to buy for her. Because when we had for story,
Jesus.
I remember once I went to buy the saltfish coming from work. Because I get anything from wife coming from work. Somebody said, only what you want. So I get it. Just be nice. And she said, buy a pound of saltfish. So I stopped and buy the saltfish. Give me the saltfish, come on. When come on, wife, come on. Look at the saltfish. Say, this can't work. Care about this. Me don't want this. Jamaican skin and everything, you know, forget the extra pound, they would add some water. So the saltfish not dry. So the lady would soak the saltfish in the water, so the water would add some more ounces to the saltfish to gain profit. The man would look at it and say, no, wait, not the care back. You know, not care back. You know, we're vexed. What, for 2 months?
Why did you tell that story?
So hence, nobody buys saltfish from my wife. Anytime she said, come on guys, get to the store and buy some saltfish. Myself and I, the boys, them would get themselves getting busy. Till we reach at a stage where I say, baby, nobody can buy saltfish for you. You're only you and you alone. So, my wife buys saltfish for herself.
Guys, that story is so true, but listen, let me tell you.
True morning.
It's truth morning, right?
Yeah.
Alright guys, let me tell you something.
They don't even about the truth.
Well, whatever. They don't even want to buy meat for me. That's how bad it is. Because listen, I don't know. When you ask them to buy like something, I mean, my husband know how to. I show him the stuff them, how to buy them. Like, I mean, if I ask him to buy some apple, I want that to be the best apple, right? I don't want it. Well, let me not stray from the point. Let me
That is
stick to
true.
the
No, that
saltfish.
is true. Overall, you want the best of everything. And the other thing about her too again, you buy the best apple. She want to know how much you pay for the best apple. Me don't do those things. How much a dozen for your apple? And yet, for the apple look good. So much when you ask question, just buy the apple.
But it not look good because them have it in the bag sweat up and have it as sell.
They just say the best apple and you say it don't look good.
No, the one that you buy.
Oh, so
You say
yeah.
Fran it look good. No, you started buying good apple now, but guys, from one somebody.
Shoot morning this morning. Yes, if I mention the price, she start to find an excuse. She say, complain about the price.
Jesus.
She just have to know the price. She have to know the
Not
weight
really.
of you. No, man, you must go easy some of the time.
Yeah, but I want you to pick the apple out. I don't want the apple that packed in a bag. I want you to pick the apple out. That's what I want. If I leave it out, it would have spoiled.
So you put it in the fridge and allow it to become soft.
So I couldn't pick it at the time when you mentioned it. Couldn't you alone go ahead and pick it? Why couldn't you go ahead and pick it by yourself?
Baby, there's no you without I.
Come on, don't even use that. You see your face? Don't even use that. You can't.
There's no you without I.
Come on. I'm gonna cut the camera. You can't use that on me. You're using that on me, and that's not fair.
Aren't you a team?
Yes, we are.
There's no I in team.
Okay, sir. So you're gonna put in the ackee them now, or what you're going to do?
So now wash your cake.
No.
Okay. I was waiting for this one. Everything I must wash. So yaki na wash.
No.
The yaki na wash.
No,
Nasty now.
No, you have never seen. No, you have never seen I prepare ackee and wash it.
Me say I pray for this day to come. It's not everything you wash. You are going in hot water.
Yes, you wash everything.
So what? So let us wash.
No, you can't wash the ackee. You cannot wash the ackee.
So why you can't wash the ackee with?
Because that's how I grew up and see my mother and my father do it. They don't.
To let you know that a little dirt
That's how I grew up and see.
A little dirt won't kill you.
Well.
You have to wait it to water hot.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Ackee for breakfast. Are we putting saltfish in it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Baby, you don't go there. There's so much story to tell with you. Returning goods, even in the coronation market. I went to this coronation market with my wife, and carrying the bag and she's shopping around. You know what I have to be doing? I have to stay like 100 feet away from her. Because we know
that's not good.
That's not good, but when you get mad and you get where you want to go and do some form of thing which is not easy.
I'm just going to walk away.
To save myself the embarrassment, I do not know you.
I'm just going to walk away.
The price and you're satisfied, then I come and collect the goods.
Until I pay for the goods. But
and
listen.
you're satisfied, but once you're not satisfied, you're going to tell him your mind. And you're going to walk away from the goods. So nobody likes to shop with my wife.
But listen,
there's no excuse. Truth morning.
Well, that's not. I don't have a problem with that. I just go and shop by myself. So
pot is boiling. Let's go back to our breakfast.
Well, truth morning. That means you have to chat out.
No, I'm just telling you about the saltfish and you keep on making excuse. So I'm just telling you a bit of who you are.
Alright, can you please
boiling? I want to boil more.
It is okay.
Are you sure you don't want to wash the ackee?
No, I don't.
You sure?
No.
Because you always complain about washing things before it go into the pot.
Well, watch here.
There's
the ackee. There's the ackee.
My eyes are good.
So you don't season your ackee water before you don't season your water?
No, you see I do them something about no sir.
You don't do that? Well, that's what I see mommy do it. She throw a little piece of thyme and throw a piece of scallion and all pimento she throw in it and dash a little salt and thing.
You do them things when guests come over?
Jesus, peace. No, not really. No. Oh, you do those things when guests coming over?
People do anything there, not me.
People, okay. Make a statement clear, please. Make your statement clear. I'm always cooking like that. So I thought you was going to how the saltfish going to boil
In the same pot.
in the same pot. No, I don't want the saltfish to boil in the same pot. It's going to be too salt. It's gonna good morning. It's gonna be too salt.
Hello. When I am cooking in the country, or normally cook in the country, the same pot the dumpling and the banana yam cooking, or the same pot the ackee and the saltfish cooking.
Jesus mercy.
Then we do take out the food them, strain off the water and do the separation. One pot.
Alright, babes, we're not doing it. Alright, baby.
No, I'm not doing that now because I'm not food cooking this morning, but I'm only telling you that.
Yes, but I am saying the saltfish, I don't want it to cook with the ackee because it's gonna be too salt.
Okay.
Alright, do your thing, you know.
No,
I tell her that I'm going to leave you, make you do your thing, you know, because, guys, my husband says he's going to cook ackee and saltfish for me. So let me leave him, let him do his thing, how he wants to do it. Alright.
Both of
So, guys, my husband wants to cook the saltfish with the ackee, but we're going to have to do that on another time, on another day. I don't want the saltfish cooking with the ackee. And I'm love to have him ways when I'm ready. When I'm ready.
For all the personnel that is on our channel who used to cook the ackee, the saltfish in the same food pot, just give us a thumbs up this morning.
Well, I know, I see my mother do it too, you know.
So,
To be honest, I
but
see.
nowadays you have to have one pot for the saltfish, one pot for the ackee, one pot for the food. But they can do that now because guess what? They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 burner. But then we have one wood fire. 3 stone, pots down on the 3 stone, and we push wood underneath if we blaze the pot.
Wow,
That's
you
it.
push wood.
Yeah.
You push wood, brother. Yeah, wood pusher.
Yeah man, cook
Okay.
pot. Yeah man.
Okay, so what we're going to have with this now? And when you're boiling ackee, you don't need to have the stove on high. We don't need high flame for this. So I don't know why I have it on high. Anyways.
Want to cook fast?
So you didn't tip any salt in the ackee or anything? You're just cooking it like that?
Yeah man. Saltfish I go do that. But then again, this is not my way of cooking ackee, you know, so all of that.
So that's why I'm going to leave you.
Slip me because the saltfish should have the salt to it.
Oh.
And the pot for everything, so this
Alright,
is
so
no
let
way.
Alright, so see next time you going to do that. So let me just tip my little salt.
She only saying that she's not going to allow me to do it. Because she feel that there's only one way it can be done, which is wrong.
I don't want it, guys. The saltfish is going to be too much salt for the ackee. It's gonna let it be salty. But you see, when our parents doing that, you know, it's a big pot. They have, you know, it's a huge pot.
Big pot or no big pot, baby?
It is a huge pot and the pot full of water. It has a lot of water. So you see, when they put the saltfish in that, it is okay.
Okay.
We don't have a lot of.
Can I answer a question?
Sure. Go
Can you
ahead.
give a reason why they put everything in one thing?
Mm-hmm.
Because they have a big pot.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have a big pot? Da da dee, da da da.
So
This is truth morning.
what
Do you
happened?
have a big pot this morning?
Listen. What are we having? We're doing breakfast, you know. That's what
You
we're
keep
doing.
on asking me a question. All right, let her give you the answer. Dumpling.
No. Dumpling. What kind of dumpling?
That is it.
Okay.
Not because I said dumpling meaning it's white dumpling.
Okay.
It can be cassava dumpling, it can be pumpkin dumpling, it can be yam dumpling, it can
Very
be
true.
banana dumpling.
Mhm.
But this morning it is fried dumpling,
Okay.
otherwise known as
Johnny cake.
woo! Congratulations!
So
My wife.
I did bought this.
This is what we're talking about again,
Please
people.
don't say anything. No, shut.
This is what me, you know, say
Shut,
supermarket I got rich off on, you know.
Shut up, please.
So-
I bought this one.
So why this one? Why you don't get
Because it is
the
quick and easy.
so in the box you get the but baby. But look what it say. Just add water. So that means the dumpling supposed in there, the pear supposed in there, the ackee and salad supposed in there. So if you open it and those things are not in there, the people are robbing us. So let us go and sue them. I said you just add water. And once you add water, you get all the fried dumpling, the banana, the pear. What is even plantain?
They are just showing you what you can have with it. They are just showing you
There's no with it. Baby, the instruction is clearly on the box. It gives you the name or the company that make it. Tell you Johnny Cake Mix, rich and moist, and then it says add water. And based on the picture, what is it saying?
I mean, this is just a display of what you can have with your fried dumpling, right?
So when we add water, everything's supposed to look like that?
No.
Okay.
No. This is just a quick and easy way.
Oh.
I don't normally buy this now.
So if
I normally just do the thing from scratch. Alright, do you want me to do the thing from scratch? Do you want me to use the flour from scratch?
No, but don't say what do is throw it, waste some money.
No, but I can just put it back.
No, but eventually you have to use it. So
yeah,
you know you got this far.
Eventually.
Right, so.
But you make a mountain.
No, but baby, it looks like say you can mix it properly, so you go and get the ready mix one.
But you know that's not true. You know, always do it from scratch.
And this is why our traditional people is dying out. Because some people can't fry dumpling because them jump to this at all times. They don't know the right mixture, right amount of baking powder to go in the flour. So them flour hard or too soft or tough or, you know.
How could I grow with my mother and can't fry dumplings?
No,
that wouldn't be a good
the
thing.
frying is not the problem. It's mixing the amount of ingredients to make it come out perfect.
Okay, well I know the amount of thing. Haven't I do this from scratch before? Haven't I do it from scratch?
Yeah, one day for the Johnny Cake thing you buy still, but now that me see it. But
what?
I've got to investigate. Anyway, let's go.
Yeah.
You can have to know if you pull the box. And if you want to get should you get it?
So you should have this one equally. So you're going to need the scissors. You know, every time I go leave you, make you do your thing your way, you know, and not my way. Hold on to the back, don't let it drop. You have to hold on to this, you know.
Seriously?
Yeah, because I just see you cutting the thing.
My finger have it like this.
Oh, really? I didn't see that. So you're going to wash your hands before now. Just pour it out. Get moving with the washing of the hands. I don't think we need all of it though, you know.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, but you don't pour it everything.
Then you can pour what in it, man.
So what are you going to use to pour it in back?
Yeah, we use a big spoon. You tell me enough is inside here. So salt already added.
Everything.
Baking powder already added.
Everything. So yeah, I think that's it. That is good.
So we're going to do this one.
I'm going to just store it back in the box.
Okay. So you spoon and mix this one.
Baby, do anything you want to do. Just
remember, no, this is not my kind of.
So you need to go to the sink first.
No, but look here. This is not my type of flour, so maybe I can't pour the water inside of it. Maybe I need to separate and bring it in back. Like
I don't know. Do anything you want to do.
Alright.
Try don't spoil it. This one is easy to spoil. I'm telling you from now, because you're full of too much talk. So I am telling you from now.
Lord, Grandma. All them things that turn your home fast and how you going home, brother.
Why?
Everything them buy from the supermarket.
Nothing
Green banana peel.
Nobody buy green banana peel. You said this morning is Chaat morning. How you saying that? That's not true.
So like you're shouting. Are you shouting?
No, I'm not.
It record already.
This morning is Chaat morning and you are saying something that is not true.
It is on the record. I just hear it record.
What is on the record?
You're shouting. And you know
I
you have
am
your
not
favorite
shouting.
song.
I am not shouting.
Well, play back the tape. What Vega say?
I don't know.
What Vega say?
I don't know.
And then tell if you, and say usher him out.
I don't know. Just
You never know it. Okay, guys. No, why say this thing dirty?
Jesus, please. Because the Aki washing it.
The Aki wash?
No, because we wash our hands. Sorry, we wash off our hand in the sink. So then the little Aki stuff them in there, so I was going to just wash it out, that's all.
Daddy. Tell your brother.
Mm.
The boss around here.
Yeah.
You know, and I've never go anywhere I see anyone can fry dumpling like my father.
Really?
Yeah, man. My father is very good at it. My father mix it and put in the pot and fry it and make it. So in time open the pot and you see the top of like a pop on the top of like a crack. That's the time you know that dumpling soak right through.
Okay.
Alright. People, my wife wanna catch good things on camera. She don't want to show the things that happen on camera. See? She watching me and really not pay attention to the saltfish. It boil over there.
So?
You must make the people know so you can't cook.
So? But it's both of us looking out for breakfast.
I am mixing the flour. So you must give an eye on the pot.
So I'm going
make
to
it boil
clean this
over.
up.
And but she frightened. And lock off the camera fast. Want to show all the goodies to you. And so it goes. This morning is Chaat morning.
I don't.
Okay? So we're going to show everything on camera.
I don't
So
care.
make this pot boil over.
So?
Okay guys, I
Jesus.
couldn't allow this to miss you. We just have a
Jesus
major
mercy.
fire. So we are on break cleaning. Fire's in the house. So
Oh Lord.
I have to dismantle a section of the stove to clean up. I have just called the fire company. Get rid of the fire.
Yeah.
And you know my wife have to clean all the stuff and she still have to clean. Man, you hurt yourself.
Yeah, I'm not.
Listen to that fire. She don't wait to the
Hot.
plate. She just wipe up the thing and wait till you don't cook it, make one general cleaner.
Yeah, I'm going to do that, but I just going for all this little.
And the fire's in the house, so you have to have some form of separation. It's so far the great. Wait though. It explode and fly over here.
No, I have to wash it out with the scotch
The
brite.
grill is over here now. The food pot over here. A big explosion take place.
I have to
Dismantling
wash
of,
it out
you
with
know.
the scotch brite.
But it is what it is.
But if I don't wash it off, and you use this part of the stove,
You could have waited till we finish. I just say you stay. Delay in cooking. That's my wife's specialty.
yeah.
Okay guys, she's looking for the teapot. We are ready to go again. We are back on the track. The engineer has come and do what he has to do, and we are good to go. Test the stove and the stove is ready to go. So my wife is comfortable. Okay, so we're going to boil the tea now.
Yeah.
And the flour is ready. Already mixed. So we are good to go.
Cinnamon leaf
Cinnamon leaf.
in this, so you want us to.
Yep.
I'm going through a few cloves in it. And we'll just have something. I'll just add some cloves to it.
So it is cinnamon leaf with clove this morning for tea. Good.
And then I'll add some cloves. If I can reach it, it is always.
Way in the back.
Yep.
Way in the back.
So there you go. You don't have to come that far. Alright, so this is the cloves. Clove. So I'm gonna add some to the cinnamon leaf.
So far in the back, I got a while ago, friends.
Jesus piece.
You see, when she send me for anything inside there, just push me around there and say, baby, I can't find it. And then allow her to come and look for it because.
Yeah, because you don't want to look
No,
for it.
not I don't. Yeah, I don't want to because I can't find it.
You can.
And then I get them clove thing and them cayenne and them garlic salt and them
Hello, can you please come
garlic
out
powder
there,
and,
please?
and you know too much artificial thing, brother.
There's no artificial nothing. The cayenne pepper.
All
is
them
good.
China writing. You know what is inside that China writing?
This is a white wine.
Yeah, see.
Cooking wine. That's not cooking wine.
Mm,
Can you please come out now, please?
okay.
Please, can you please
I'm just
come out?
looking.
Please, babes, can you please make it covered, please? I have to taste it.
Hands working, mouth working. Hands working, mouth working.
My mouth is not chewing.
Eh? Look at the throat. All the throat working now. Eh? Swallow. Swallow. I need to see the throat working. You can't pick this saltfish out, yo.
But I asked you to pick it. I did ask you to pick it, you know? I did ask you to pick it. Don't even bother go there. I'm throwing away that bone because I know you're going to come all the way up with the camera.
Pain you have to do that thing.
I asked you to pick it, didn't I?
The pain you have. People them sit right here, so. See that? See that? See that?
Well, anyway.
By the time the ackee ready to
Ready to what?
serve, there's no ackee, so it's not ackee and saltfish this morning, it's ackee and it's a tips of saltfish.
I'm boiling enough. I'm boiling enough so that I can eat a little.
That is not fair.
It is.
Your ackee are going to mix up with your saltfish.
It
Going
is.
in your belly. So your saltfish going to go with your ackee in your belly.
Whatever. You're not going to let me eat ackee alone.
No, man, you're already gone. No, but nothing already put in your pot.
You're not going to do that.
Your ackee
Even if I eat it off.
Your ackee already gone. Your saltfish rather already gone one, waiting for the ackee to come. When reaching your stomach, it is called ackee and saltfish.
Well,
But it's just that one go before the other.
okay. I understand.
Clear. That's it, guys. Saltfish, complete pick.
Guys, you see why I always have to be cleaning up here? This is what my husband do. See flour here? I'm finished need the flour, but look here. Look at that. Look at that. What is happening here? Look at that.
A little spin.
A little spilt. This is a little. No, tell the truth. This alright. This is a little. So watch the camera. I'm not doing any camera check. I'm coming down with the camera. That is a little. Catch this now. Look at that. You see that? Look at that. Look at that. You look at that.
So what is it this man now? Expose this man.
No, but I'm cleaning the stove and you run come for the camera and whatever.
So it's a comeback.
No, not really. No comeback, nothing.
So you don't make mess.
Yes, but I clean up right away. That's what I'm telling you. I like to clean before I do anything.
At least my mess is accident. You intentionally make mess.
Where's my intentional mess?
For example, as I don't talk what I don't know.
Yes, so for example.
We're going to strain the ackee, right? We're going to strain the ackee.
Just wait, you'll see.
You're going to take out and strain and strain it.
You will see.
So why can't we just shift the pot cover a little bit and run out the water and that's it?
I mean,
Okay.
so you must do that. That's your way. I don't know.
So you make intentionally mess when you
That's
can
not
just...
intentionally miss. That's
Of
how
course,
I
that's
do
a mess
it.
because after you mess it up, you have to clean it back. But if you just shift the pot cover, run out the water, and then you have it acting at the pot.
That's how I do my thing.
You make mess.
That's not making us mess.
Okay.
Come on. What are you talking about? So I'm going to remove the bone. You guys know I love saltfish, right? So
You're going to pick out a piece and eat it.
you say I should just use the pot cover, right?
I can do it, but if you can't do it, you go for your strainer or do what you do best.
It's not the strainer, it's something like a strainer. Well, there's a name for it. I'm just not
You're
remembering.
going to separate the water from the ackee.
Whatever. Don't worry about that.
Right. You want me to do it without your strainer?
Yes, it can.
Okay.
Please. Please do.
When we're in the country, we now do those fancy things. Can anybody know this?
Yeah, that's what my mother did too, you know, but I mean...
But you know do it. You
Yeah,
change
but I
everything.
mean-
You change everything. You
Because
change
the
everything.
gadgets come to make our life a little more easier, so why not use them? Why not use them?
So why easy and then after that you have to go wash it up. You have to wash it up.
So,
See there? Voila. No water. No water.
nicely boiled. What you say?
Can I clean up my mess now?
You don't have to ask me that. You should just go ahead and clean it. You don't need to ask me if you're to clean your mess when you make a mess.
No, I want it to be happy. You know, remember my slogan?
What? This is your slogan.
Happy wife, happy life.
Well, I should go ahead and clean it up without I have to see it and say something
And the
for
fact that-
you to
the fact
come
that-
and cleaning it up. You should have cleaned it up without I have to say something.
And whenever time my wife is happy, I am also happy because she gave me things to make me happy. Why are you laughing? Why you laughing?
Because I can't bother with you.
Your smutty mind.
And my mind is not smutty, so
Smutty mind.
why my tablecloth is down there in the sink?
I'm gonna wash it.
Okay, because I don't want it thrown down like that. I don't handle my things like that. So go ahead.
Guys, I think I need to come out the kitchen.
No. Oh no, you don't.
You
don't need to come out.
Yeah, bother with me now. She tell me she don't want me to come out. These are the things that husband have to go through.
What? You're not going through a thing. Come on.
You know. You hear that?
Why you washing and cooking like that?
Sure, so I can't wash. So if you let me, I can wash the clothes myself.
What is not this?
Blessing to Miss Jess.
Leave mama out of this.
Can cook and can wash and can clean.
Leave mama out of this. Okay. You don't need to put her in this. Leave her
Mama
out.
taught me to wash, cook and clean.
Leave her out, please.
Guys, things is taking place. I'm not noticing what is taking place, you know. So, this is the teapot. And I don't know what is this. What is this, baby?
I'm going to fry the Johnny cake in it.
You can fry dumpling in this, baby? This little container? Why?
This is not country.
My word.
I think I need some more oil.
Okay.
I can use any one of them and let it work.
Okay. I've never seen dumpling frying anything this size, but
That's small, right?
yeah, very small. So let's see. So she pouring more oil into the pot.
So that's good enough.
Okay.
So I need that to really, really hot. Can you fry dumpling?
No, the pot and the oil fry the dumpling. Can I fry dumpling?
Can you fry dumpling? Because if you tell me you can't, remember this morning is truth morning, you know, you come with
And
that.
I just tell you no. I just tell you no. The pot on the oil and the fire fried
I'm
dumpling.
going to stop talking to you because you're not being
Can
fair.
you fry dumpling?
You're not being fair.
No, but it is true. I cannot fry it.
You're not being fair.
People, she asked me a question and I give her an answer. I cannot fry dumpling. It is the pot on the oil and the fire that fry the dumpling. I guide the whole process. Okay, let's look at our tea. Man, this thing of a aroma right here. The scent is so wonderful.
He's trying to be brilliant. So
Try to be brilliant. What is that, brother?
he's trying to be
I'm
brilliant
smart.
using his brain or trying to be smart, whatever it is you want to call it. So I'll just leave you.
You know, I don't like the choice I read this morning.
Why? Why?
You pick
Why
the
is
next
it
one,
so?
you're going to leave me. That's not
You
nice.
don't leave, you do your thing. I mean, I can't bother.
No, but you're being disobedient. The pastor said, "Chew what? Thick and thin, sick and health, poor, rich and poor."
You're lucky. You and the pastor lucky.
People in here on camera.
Yes, I don't care. I said you and the pastor lucky.
My wife don't care. She going to leave me. I choice her word is not wonderful this morning. You know, I should have continued to sleep in my bed this morning. It is what it is.
Yeah, but you couldn't sleep in there because I weak you. I need you, and you have to.
And then you should mixed up with nice word, no? You're going to leave me, but you need me. Why you don't be on one page? You're confusing me.
Come on, give me
You
a
want me
break,
this time,
girl.
the next minute you're going to leave me?
Give me a break. I have a nice pair.
You always have nice pair. I don't know where
You
you
want
get
any
it.
fried plantain?
No.
Okay, so we're just going to use just the pear, right?
Right.
Nice, lovely pear.
You tell me what's happening, baby. What's happening?
Nothing.
Nothing. You know, my grandmother used to, what are these marbles?
It's going to swell.
Anyway, my grandmother used to say what good for the goose is also good for the gander. You know what that means this morning? If I am going to start something, you send me to the sink, go wash your hand.
I did wash my hands.
I never see you wash your
I
hand.
did wash my hands.
You never, oh, for how long? Every,
No, I did wash my
hello,
hands.
for every new episode, you tell me to go wash my hands.
Look at my hands.
Oh,
Look at my nails.
So you can,
I did wash my hands.
so you can see. Okay, so next time you just show me hand them.
No, you never see when I went
With
and washed
me,
my hands.
every new episode, me wash my hand. With you,
And
every
I
chapter.
did.
Okay.
I did. Listen, I did wash my hand because I washed this
Shoot,
thing
man.
out.
What are these, man? You talking shoot now. Big man can't really give me something.
It's going to swell up, baby, don't worry.
Mouth. Yeah, but I know that's all right. Of course, baking powder inside of it.
Mm-hmm.
But these are still too little.
No, they are not. You will see, don't worry. Alright, let me jog back your memory because since as you have amnesia, I just washed this dish out, right? I just went to the sink and I washed this dish out. I washed my hands when I was washing this dish. Didn't you see that?
Okay. I go outside, I go feed the rabbit.
You feed rabbits, you not feed my rabbits, them don't do that. Don't you do that. Yeah. You are not feeding my rabbit. I have to leave, and if I leave really early in the morning, like before day, to go run some errand, and I will ask you to feed them, you will do that. But you're not gonna just get up and feed my rabbit. Don't do that. Shoot morning and you're telling lie. No. Peeps, you see what happening? No, you guys see what happening?
So what are you
saying? Shoot
morning
and he's telling lies.
So you're saying that I don't do anything unless you ask me to do it?
It's not anything we're talking about. We're talking about a specific topic. We're talking about something specific. The rabbit.
No, you just said, but indirectly.
Whatever you want to say and call it, I'm going over to the past.
So as from now, if I don't get directive, I won't do anything.
No, that's not it. You are not understanding. Yeah, you are not understanding at all.
Dumpling in a pot, peeps. These dumplings, you call them bite-sized dumpling.
Food normally say that.
You won't know bite-sized dumpling. You don't know what they my brother. How much of them are going to pot to?
Yeah.
All of them one time.
Yes. My gosh.
I remember the days when you used to live in the country and you used to we never have Nintendo, Xbox and those stuff. So we'd have to formalize our own game. And one of the games that we used to play is Dolly House. These dumplings look like some Dolly House cook pot.
No, they're not. You will see it.
So you don't cover the pot?
No, I don't. I don't cover the pot.
Me
cover the pot?
You just gonna say you're not supposed to. Don't do that.
I did not say you're not supposed to. I say I don't do it.
I tell you.
You see them popping? Look at my dumpling.
Like
they are popping?
But they might fight against each other because guess what, there's no space in the
pot.
pot.
Not. So the space is okay.
You limit them now because there's not enough space. They're squeezing on the walls of the pot.
They are okay. Don't worry.
People, look.
They are okay.
Pot corner. They're muscling against each other.
No, they are not.
They're looking like them at the gym now, eat them selling.
That's how I always fry them, you know, and you eat them, so I don't know.
Why shouting?
But I'm not shouting.
I'm talking to my peeps now. Them look like them there at the gym now, not you people. They must swell up.
Hello. That's how I always do it, and you eat it. It's just because you're in the kitchen now, I dry out in the kitchen now, you come seeing how I do things.
I'm seeing that you're not doing it the right way.
Oh, thank you for that. Thank you for saying that.
Alright.
I hope you can do it the right way the next time. Okay? Yeah, I hope you can do it the right way.
Come on guys, these are mouth bite dumpling, mouth size bite.
I hope you can do it the right way.
No man, first as I tell you, my dumpling have a cover down. And I don't turn my dumpling them. My dumpling when I'm done frying them pop.
Properly so look at that. You don't see popping on those?
No, those are not pop.
Okay.
Look, now you cook nice dumpling, baby, but I never know how you do it.
Yes, that's how I do it. Somebody's at the gate. Alright, so I think I need to remove my Johnny cake. So these wouldn't call Johnny cake, they're too small. I'm just asking you, I don't know.
Well, and the box it said Johnny cake.
So you see, they pop. You see that? Look at that. You see all that popping that you're talking about? There you go. Look at these nicely popped dumplings.
If I say so.
You know what? You're going to do this next morning. Alright? I want you to see your own. So please, I beg of you, I want you to do it. The next morning, I want you to do it.
Baby.
Baby, nothing.
I'm just letting you know that my dumpling will never ever look like these dumplings. These dumplings are too small.
Alright, so I said, so you're going to get a chance to do it, right?
These are Dolly House dumpling, baby.
You're going to get the chance to do it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So when you get the chance to do it, I want you to do it. And I'm not going to criticize your dumpling.
I'm not criticizing, I'm just...
You are, because you're saying Dolly House dumpling and all of that. Yeah, and that's not...
You know, not all of us can handle the truth, and this morning we say it is a truth morning.
I can handle any
And
truth.
this morning I am just telling my wife that, look at this dumpling.
I can handle any truth. Don't go there. Don't go there. What are you doing?
I'm just looking at the size, baby, the size.
And the size is okay. You don't need anything bigger than that. You don't need anything bigger than that.
Okay.
It is okay. The size is okay. You don't need anything bigger than that, I'm telling you.
I want to do them can't drown, them must swim. Yes guys, this is the dumpling I'm swimming. It's not a pool, but it's swimming. You can refer to a pool of oil.
You can see anything you want to see.
You know, I'm going to leave you alone, you know, because I was on the road the other day and I saw some people and they saying to me that I should leave my wife because my wife is right. So apparently nothing that I'm saying is right. So you say, who not say right, so me I bother you. So I want to let you do your way. But at the same time, guys, I see that you enjoy the video. Can you just, while watching, just touch the like button? We'd appreciate it.
Click the like button, it won't hurt your finger.
Right.
It won't cost anything to just click the like button, please. That's all we're asking. Click the like button. As much as we would like for you to share it with your family and friends and comment, but you can just go ahead and click the like button, please.
Yep.
Thank you.
Washing.
My cheese already.
You know what is really strange though? My wife take very long to prepare breakfast. Very long. And guess what? She have so many different burners. In the country, my parents used to have one burner. And when it takes so long. I don't think my wife can multifunction.
Jesus, that's
She
not
have to
true.
fry the dumpling first, then she'll be off of that first.
That's not true.
You have so much burning, you have everything running one time. It's
That's
both.
not true.
Okay, so one more you need to prove to the subscriber that they can multifunction.
Guys, can you tell him to come on and help me and do something instead of like mouthing me about whatever?
No, me stop troubling you because people learn say me a trouble in the kitchen, so me stop trouble. Me just make suggestion. Can I say something? If I see something, can I say it?
Yes, and
Right.
you can say it. No, not a problem. And you can also go ahead and just get it done, right? If you see it's not doing, you can go ahead and just get it done. You can say something, but also get
So
it
can
done.
you do more than one thing at the same time?
All the time.
Okay.
All the time.
You know, while the dumpling was frying, I could have cooked the after and sauce could have been cooked.
And you know, you could go ahead and turn on the other burner and cook them because it's already cooked.
So hold the
Water
camera.
come off it.
Hold the camera.
We're not talking about, you can set it up on the stick. Come on.
Alright. Set it on the stick and the stick stable. Stick now move around, touch her face when she eat the saltfish. Let you smile, that beautiful smile. Smile for me, baby. Smile.
Can you give me a break?
Can you give me a smile?
Can you give me a break?
Mwah. No smile this morning?
Because you're not being nice.
Alright.
Should I use half or all? Alright guys, here's the problem. You know why it takes so long? I have to keep cleaning up each time. I can't. I'm going to try that thing. I'm going to just do what I'm doing and don't clean up until I finish. Then I'll thoroughly clean up. But I don't know. I just can't do that. I have to clean up every aspect. I mean, if I need the floor.
Baby, clean up is not the only problem.
What is the problem? What is it?
You're cutting up this season. I forgot to cut board and all them stuff.
Yes.
You cut up the little onion?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Can you please do it another way for me if there's another way? Oh, you want to hold it over the pot and cut it, cause
I will in a container and cut it up.
Hold in a container and cut it up. Maybe. Give me a break, bro. You're going to breakfast one morning, you know, and trust me, I am not going to lift a straw and I'm going to see how you're going to manage. You see, you're full attack, you wait. Me I said for you, man, me I wait for you. Trust me. I'm waiting on that man.
I don't say she said that me can't do it. Another she said really.
I'm not saying you can't, but I'm waiting on your morning when you alone just take over and I'm just sitting down and relax and cut my pen and just go and sip on some wine.
So it is not.
You know I love wine, right?
It is not from the bottle or physical.
What? You're asking if it's the wine from the bottle?
Da da dee.
I don't know what you're talking about. You have a right to sing. You have a right to sing.
So man is truth, man, you know. That's
Sing
a
along,
question.
sing along. You have a right.
Me just ask, we can ask question.
I say you
Me
have
not
a
bother you,
right.
know, because you're subscribing, so me not bother you.
You have
So
a
me not
right.
bother you. You ask, you say, me make a statement and me ask a question. Question we make to ask. Simple.
You're made to ask and.
Question we make to ask.
And.
So when a question is asked, you're supposed to give a reply.
Really?
You make a statement, say you love wine.
Yes.
So me ask you if it's from the bottle or if it's a physical wine.
I love both.
Simple. That's a true statement.
Right.
So you're honor in the morning. It's a true morning.
Yes. So I will put in some bell peppers in this. Put a little some bell peppers and stuff. Okay.
Bell pepper and ackee and saltfish.
What? What you just going to say a while ago?
Too much pepper, baby.
Say something.
Too much pepper.
Too much pepper? That pepper is okay, guys. See, I have my bell pepper here to put in it. And
Lord.
he's telling me that he don't want any of these. So guess what? I'm going to leave them alone. I'm going to leave them alone. Because you see, when he's cooking meat or anything, he just want to cook the meat and that's it. You know? He don't really want to put certain stuff on it. So that's why when I'm cooking, don't cook quick. So that's the difference. That's the difference with both of us.
So this is the pot that we're going to fry up our saltfish and up it in.
I'm going to cook up my saltfish, not fry it up.
Food no don't cook it, you know, but somebody I eat and they not share.
Lord help me.
Them not share, you know. When you find something you see, what of us?
I'm cleaning up the sink.
Outside I think you find something to eat. Both of us inside the kitchen, somebody eat and one and the other not eat. That's not fair. People not share this spoil at all, but they keep it to themselves. And they might disguise themselves, but they might clean up. They might clean up and eat up.
I am cleaning up alone.
And eating up.
Whatever. You need to share this morning.
Wait, things are going in the kitchen and hide and seek things are going. When we talk about speed now, you just start the things without me. I go fast now, baby.
Yeah.
Alright, baby.
Camera ready come here.
Alright, baby, I go fast now. She now wait. So the cameraman now work, cameraman now get left behind. Next time. Cooking up the season, guys. Alright, now wait for Ozzy. Adjusting the temperature of the stove.
Why should I?
I'm not getting this, baby.
No. Why should I?
Now wait for me. Now we don't call me and say, come, baby.
Damn, but I did this morning.
The word that is not nice. Shoot, man, yeah?
Yes, it is. It is cute, man.
So, truly, people can't bother with me.
Well.
That's female for you guys. Can't stay for long.
Well.
Just make them leave and I keep them money there.
And now I'm gonna add my codfish.
And we call it, the Jamaican call it saltfish. And this is the only fish you can buy from our shop by itself.
Well, I really don't know about that.
Seriously?
Yeah. You just need to take the time to analyze the saltfish before you buy it. Make sure that it is fresh and it is dry. It's not old and wetty and soggy and soppy.
When it's wet and only pour, you know, I will tell you it's just a trick for the person to make more money. So the fish have no weight. It's the same one, so you can take it and consume it back.
Oh keep on doing that because I ain't gonna bother. You know I don't need any salt in this, right? The salt is already flavored and we don't need a lot of seasoning. You have the camera not fully on the pot. You see it all over here? Right. You need to stir it more to that side. So I'm using a little fish seasoning. Then I'm gonna go in with a little black pepper. I'm dazzling that all over. And I'm gonna give this a good stir.
Good deal.
Yeah, I'm seasoning my catfish already. I'm gonna go in with my ackee now. Alright, so you know you don't want to stir this too much because you don't want to mash up your ackee, right? So we're not going to stir this like when we are cooking chicken or whatever it is that we are cooking. But we need to stir it though because we need to combine the saltfish with the ackee to get maximum flavor in our ackee, right? So I'm adding a few pimento berries. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna drizzle a little black pepper over my ackee. I know you guys see I did that on the saltfish, but yeah. Then I'm gonna in with my thyme now, and I'm gonna try to give this a nice little stir.
You know why she laughing? I don't know if I can see why I take place. You see that?
You see, you're not a nice person, you know?
Spill. No, you show.
You're not a
You
nice
show my spill,
person.
so I show your spill too.
Yes, you're not a nice person, so guys.
And guess what? It was a lot more, but all of it, she take up and chew in her belly. Ow, 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 she biting me.
Leave me alone.
Peeps, she abused me.
Leave me alone.
She abused me.
And cover. So guys, my husband is washing up for me because I asked him.
And I asked her question, washing up and don't finish cook as it. So when you finish cook and eat, you have to do a extra wash up again.
It's not you. I am going to wash.
Are you sure it's not me? So I won't wash up now.
Because I asked you to, because
Yeah,
I am cooking.
Right, then I can't smack after we're done too. Wash up again. Bye, mate.
So you guys scrape up my pot. Peeps, when you guys see my pot looking like that's the inside scrape up. These guys.
It simply means it's a pot that is being used. Nothing wrong with it. If you want pot for furniture or display, you don't use them. Okay? These are used pot.
Hello. You know what scrape up like that? Because you guys use the wrong thing. You can't use the metal spoon or the metal fork, and that's what is causing the disruption in the pot. Yeah, scraping it up, scraping up my pot, and I have to be using them on my channel, showing those awful scrape up.
You want you know which pot you want?
Which pot?
The big Dutch pot, them. No scrape any of them.
So why are you not turning down the plates in the dish drainer so they can drain?
Yeah, go ahead and do that.
So why you love to do this? Look at this, guys. Look what he's doing. Look at this. Look here. Look what he's doing.
Washing the plate.
But they need to turn down in the dish drainer.
Okay, guys, this is the original.
Cinnamon with clove.
Right, and this is before it is mixed, and this is after it is mixed. So this is before it is mixed, cinnamon with clove, and this is mixed cinnamon with clove with lasco.
Yeah, I'm using some lasco.
Okay. I prefer honey still, but.
So I didn't mix that one, so I can put honey in that one for you.
Original, okay.
So you want honey in that one?
Yes, babes.
Alright. So this is your honey.
So my honey is mixed in my tea this morning. So my tea mixed with honey by my honey.
All of a sudden you don't want any lasco. Yeah, that's a cute one. Can I say it again?
My tea mixed with honey by my honey.
My tea is mixing with honey by my honey. Wow.
Ghana English class now.
Listen, Lord have mercy, let me not say anything.
That's it, guys.
Lord have mercy.
One with honey and one with Lasco. See the big difference?
And then when I come out the camera here, no, mix it with Lasco, mix it with, I said, no, I ain't mixing it with it because you say you want it with the honey. I'm going to give you the straight honey. My bunny.
Honey bunny.
Yeah.
So there we go, guys. Our ackee and saltfish, which is our Jamaican dish. You know, so I show Jamaica proud why them say ackee and saltfish and the national dish.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. The national dish supposed to be used every day, not in a season, out of season. I know which dish could get that.
Mm-hmm.
Which one?
Chicken back?
Curry chicken back, of course. Yeah.
I hit the nail on the head.
Because it is so natural.
I hit
Curry
the
chicken
nail
back
on
cook
the head.
every day. Ackee and saltfish is very expensive on the North Coast, you know.
Very.
Mm.
Well, that is if you're not, you're talking, oh.
Once you go to any restaurant in the North Coast.
So how much of this bite size, whatever I should give you?
I'm not even know, because I don't want for me to make all of them from.
You got to be kidding.
Whoa, I'm not that craving guy.
You got to be kidding me.
Yeah.
How much? Is this
I will
okay?
work with that.
Okay. Alright, so I'll just wash my pear. Remember we have a nice pear. I'll just wash it.
Okay.
And cut a slice. I think you will love that.
Mm-hmm. This is
So let's see the outcome of this pear. I know it is good. I ate one yesterday. Really good. Voila.
Mm-hmm.
Really good. What happened? Why are you laughing?
I laugh, people. I said something earlier on and you guys may take it as a joke. But you saw my wife, after peeling the pear, what she do it?
So?
Talk it short. Now, Dolly, use this.
So because I cut the pear different?
I just need my pear to just peel and put in the plate. Not to cut up like the Dolly house thing, alright? I'm going to leave it because people say I trouble your morning time. Which I'm just letting you know what I want, alright?
So this is your pear, so I won't cut it like mine.
Exactly. That's how I know pear is placed into a plate.
And I'm going to ignore you.
Right, not like a Dolly house thing.
I'm going to ignore you. I'm
This
going
is
to ignore you on that one.
You see, you give a child a pear. You give a adult pear like this.
Yeah, I'm going
This
to
is how you
ignore
give an adult pear. Okay?
So what are you waiting on me dear for? And I finish your breakfast?
As usual, breakfast to be served.
You know, one morning I'm not going to do any breakfast. You going to breakfast? And guess what?
I will serve it to you.
You going to serve it to me?
Yeah. We
Yeah.
are both equal.
Because what happened? You sit there and waiting on me to serve. Anyways, because you know I always do it so.
Thank you.
And here's your tea.
Thank you. In fact, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, guys, breakfast was prepared with love. Okay, guys, breakfast was prepared this morning by my wife with love, and it was given to us from the one who is love, our Heavenly Father. So we may pray. In the mighty name of Jesus Christ, the one who do all things, give us all things, the one who is in total control. We want to thank you, Lord, first and foremost for life. We want to thank you, Lord, for binding us together as one. It is a wonderful gift when two can come together and remain as one. Lord, I thank you that you continue to fulfill your promise, and this is one morning that you have done it again. You declare one of your name as Jehovah Jireh, and you provide for us, and that we are forever grateful. We know that this ackee and saltfish will do well for our body with my wife Johnny Cake, and I tell you thanks in Jesus' name, amen.
Amen.
Yeah, looking lovely. Guys, just to announce, my wife have lately cut out the orange juice. I don't know for what reason. But it is what it is. No more orange juice anymore.
I don't cut it out, it's just that taught the truth. You said this morning is a truth morning. Guys, when I give him the orange juice, what he does is as soon as I get off camera, he starts drinking the orange juice.
It doesn't matter how I do it, as long as I get it.
No, but you have to drink your tea first. Put something warm in your stomach. Put something warm in your stomach, right?
Why for that time?
That's why you know what? I'm going to give him orange juice, guys. I'm going to give him his orange juice. Never mind.
Thank you.
Sit here. I'm going to give him his orange juice. So, yeah. That's what he wants. That's what he will get.
Wow.
There you go.
Guys, nah, I know. I can't saltfish and fried dumpling, but bad. But you know what? Steal the show this morning.
What?
The cinnamon tea with the clove. Yeah, man, I tell you. Bad. Every sip, I feel health.
Bad combination. It's a bad combination. So I won't take away your orange juice. I'm just going to just pour your orange juice and you do whatever.
I'm drinking it.
Because you're an adult, so I'll just leave you.
Something warm and it's tea bad.
No
Try
problem.
it, guys. And please remember, enjoy. Give us the like. Give us the like.
So bye guys. Catch you another day, another time with breakfast in the kitchen with me and
Aye.
okay, bye.